Hello everyone, welcome to I Must Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from Power Grid. Yes, when you will go to the official website of Power Grid, here you can see in the job updates executive positions. Okay, so recruitment of trainee engineer electronics for PowerTel through GATE 2024. Yes, this recruitment is directly basis on the GATE 2024 score. Okay, and advertisement is mentioned here. Application window already started from the 29th November and the last date will be 19th December 2024. Okay, when you will click here, you can start login or apply, and here you can see the detailed advertisement. So let's talk about the detailed advertisement. So this is clearly mentioned recruitment of trainee engineer electronics. This is only for the electronics for PowerTel 100% wholly owned subsidiary of Power Grid. Okay, this recruitment is there. So let's check it out. How many vacancies are there? Yes. So trainee engineer electronics, number of vacancy, post is the same. Post ID they mention here. Total number of vacancies 22. Category wise they mention here the division. You can see this. Okay. And when I'm coming to the next thing here, they mention some reservations. Okay, they mention here. Now job specification. So this is trainee engineer electronics, essential qualification full-time BE BTech or BSc in electronics discipline or equivalent from recognized university institute with minimum 60% marks or equivalent CGPA. Now when they mention here equivalent, so which is eligible here, so you can see, dear students, if a candidate is having BE BTech in electronics or electronics and communication or electronics and telecommunication, electronics and electrical communication, telecommunication, then you are eligible here. Okay, let's see the eligibility criteria. So this is purely based on the valid GATE scorecard of 2024. Candidate should have appeared in the corresponding paper of GATE 24 as shown in the following table and qualified in the same. Qualifying marks as declared by the GATE 24 is a EC paper code should be there, and post is a trainee engineer. So in your GATE 24 paper code should be EC only. Okay. Now here age limit they mention here, so upper age limit 28 years as on the 19th December. Pay scale they mention here 30,000 to 1,20,000. Now what is the simple thing they mention here, ki on successful completion of 1 year training they will be placed as an assistant engineer at E0 level in the pay scale of 30,000 to 1,20,000. Okay, other all allowances will be included here, and they mention here after including all the allowances CTC will be 13.25 lakh per annum, dear students. Okay, now here payment of application fees non-refundable rupees 500 wherever applicable. If you are from SC, ST, PWBD, ex-serviceman, DSM, candidates are exempted from the payment of application fee. All other need to pay rupees 500. Okay, for detailed instruction regarding payment of the application fee, please click here and you can see the details also. All right, guys. Career progressions they mention here after E0 to E1. Okay, after that they can give you promotion in E1, E2 grade also. So this is the procedure. Okay. Relaxation of upper age limit according to the rule of Government of India, you can check it out. Yeah, selection procedure. So selection process consists of normalized marks obtained out of 100 in the corresponding paper of GATE 24. Okay, then they will have behavioral assessment, group discussion and personal interview. So there is no separate written test. Okay, they will shortlist you on the basis of your GATE 2024 marks, and then they will call you for the BA, group discussion and personal interview. Okay, guys, should have qualified in the corresponding paper. So this is the clearly mentioned here. Or yeah, candidate must qualify in the personal interview in order to be considered. So they mention here qualifying percentage required for unreserved vacancy including EWS 40%, for the reserved vacancy 30% is the required. Weightage they mention here for the GATE 24 marks. Okay, 85% weightage, group discussion 3%, personal interview 12% weightage is there. Okay, so I think more details are also mentioned here. You can see health standard, important instructions they mention here, how to apply. So please check it out, these details, dear students, which documents you need to fill, you need to submit here with applying. So you can just check it out, all these remaining details. And then yes, the last date again I'm covering. On 29th April already is started. The last date will be 19th of the December 2024. Before that, you can fill this form. All right, guys, stay connected to I Must Gate Academy YouTube channel for more such type of updates. Thank you.